Okay, so I am trying something that I have seen done before, but I've never done it, and that is to grow greens in an actual bag of soil. So what we're gonna do is, with my garden knife here, I'm gonna stab holes in it because I'm gonna turn these bags over, and the holes will be drainage. Now we're going to turn these bags over so that the holes are on the bottom. And now we're going to cut the top open so that it's like a garden bed. All right. All right, I don't want to open it so that the soil could run off the side. I think on this next one, I'm going to make the cuts a little further out so that I have more surface area. I'm doing this in the evening about to be sunset because it's supposed to start raining in a few hours. And so I want to get these seeds in before it rains. All right, yeah, that's a little better, I think. All right, so now we have the surface area to plant in. I'm going to use my garden knife again. I love this thing. I bought it for myself for Christmas. I actually wrapped it up and it was under the tree. I'm going to break up the top of the soil. And this is Miracle-Gro Organic Raised Bed mix. All right. Today is January 28th, 2021, and I am in growing zone 8. Okay, got that all worked up. Now, as it turns out, I have 3 packets of just lettuce mix, greens, baby greens. So I'm just gonna do 1 on each bag. Maybe too many seeds, but we're just going for it. So I'm just gonna pour it on, and I'm gonna just smooth out the surface here so that the leaves are covered. And like I said, it's about to rain all night, so this will get watered in. Otherwise, I would water it in. All right. Next is this. As many as I thought, so I'm gonna kind of even out around here. gonna try and keep these in order so I remember which seeds went in which bag. All right, I'm counting on that the rain that's coming is just gonna water these well and not completely wash out the bags. So I guess we'll see. Stay tuned. You see how they grew? These lettuces went through that big freeze in February and they still came back, and today I'm harvesting them.